If you're a small business owner and you're tired of dealing with card readers, clunky POS systems, or just slow, overcomplicated payment setups, this is for you. Whether you're running a shop, working out in the field, or selling at events, you don't need more hardware. You just need a faster way to get paid. Because at the end of the day, your customers don't want friction. They want to scan, pay, and move on. And the good news is, you can set that up in minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and use QR code payments inside the Kurv Merchant app, step by step, so you can start accepting payments instantly. So, who should be using QR code payments? This really comes down to flexibility. If your business isn't always tied to a front counter, or you just want a faster way to check people out, this is going to make a lot of sense. Think about retail stores that want to speed up checkout, or cafes that want to keep lines moving, or even service businesses, people working on site, going to customers, or operating out in the field. And then there are events, pop-ups, markets, fundraisers, where having a full setup just isn't realistic. QR code payments give you a way to accept money in all of those situations without adding more equipment or complexity. At a basic level, QR code payments are exactly what they sound like. Your customer pulls out their phone, scans your code, sees the payment page, and completes the transaction. That's it. There's no swiping, no tapping, no handing over a card. And while it feels simple on the surface, what's happening in the background is still a fully secure payment process where the transaction gets encrypted, routed, and approved almost instantly through the proper systems. But the important part isn't the back end, it's the experience. For your customer, it feels fast and seamless, and for you, it removes a lot of the friction that normally slows down a sale. Now, let's walk through how to actually set up a QR code for payment in the Kurv Merchant app. First, select Take Payment on the home screen. Then enter the payment amount. And then click Proceed to Payment. In the list menu that pops up, select the QR code option. The app will then generate a code instantly. Show it to your customer, have them scan and complete the payment on their device. You'll see the payment confirm in real time. No hardware, no handoff, just scan and pay. When you step back, the biggest advantage here is how much simpler everything becomes. You're not dealing with hardware, you're not troubleshooting devices, and you're not locked into a specific checkout setup. Everything runs through a simple scan. It also speeds things up. When customers can pay in seconds, you reduce friction, and that usually means more completed transactions. On top of that, the setup is minimal. You don't need training, and you don't need to overhaul your current system. And just as important, the payments themselves are still secure. They're processed through the same encrypted systems that power standard digital transactions. Now, let's talk about how businesses are actually using QR code payments day to day, because this is where it really starts to click. First, in-person or on-the-go payments. If you're in retail, restaurants, or working out in the field, you can just pull up your QR code and have the customer scan it. They scan, pay, done. No terminal, no back and forth, just a faster way to close the sale wherever you are. Next, fundraising at events. Instead of handling cash or directing people somewhere else, you just display your QR code. People scan and pay on their own. It's quick, it keeps things moving, and it makes it easy for anyone to contribute or check out in seconds. And finally, using QR codes is for recurring payments. If you run a subscription, membership, or ongoing service, you can link your QR code to a recurring payment setup. The customer scans once, enters their details, and confirms. After that, payments run automatically on your schedule. No follow-ups, no manual billing, just consistent revenue from a single scan. At the end of the day, this is really about removing friction. No hardware, no complicated setup, no unnecessary steps. Just a faster, more flexible way to accept payments wherever your business operates. If you're ready to start using QR code payments, you can get set up with Kurv and have everything running in minutes. Create your account, generate your QR code, and start getting paid. And if this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. We'll see you in the next one.